Hello everyone, welcome back. This is me Sadik, and today I'm going to talk about something like I'm not sure I need to do it, but obviously I want to do it to share and to collect the feedback and to share something. So, जब से like AI आई है and the power we have right now is in our hand, actually I have something in me, and that is curiosity. So the curiosity actually is not letting me to let the thing go away. It is just pushing me to let's do it, let's do it. I'm facing issue here. Let's build the solution for this, right? So actually, I am using like Jira a lot. I'm using Trello a lot. I'm using ClickUp a lot. I use like Notion as well, like for productivity, for managing the task and everything, right? But actually, the problem is even I was using Nifty, even I was using Bittrex as well. So what I thought, let's not use these things and let's build a simple solution for myself to quickly manage the task, manage my board in Kanban form, and maybe in spreadsheet form, maybe in calendar view form, and drag and drop them somewhere else, and then I don't want to pay the huge bucks and pennies for those services as well, right? So what I did, I just like while sitting at like 2 or 3 days ago in front of laptop using Opus 4.8 by Claude Code and Anthropic, I like thought let's give it a try, right, to build something. This is still on like in the way of building still, not really live yet. I'll not be sharing the link or anything to test this, but obviously I want to show something that this is what I am doing, and I really want the feedback as well, and maybe I will ask you people as well in case if you want something to see in this place as well. Obviously it is going to be properly not properly, but obviously not very well polished or anything, but it is going to be some place where you can just manage your task as well for free, maybe for some time, and then maybe you can use it for free as well, and just test and try, and who knows, like one day this platform will really help you to build something, right? So this is like some sort of a platform which will help you to like again manage your task, manage your team and everything. But as I always say, जब मैंने like InVio बनाया या मैंने हुनर मिलाप बनाया या एक दो और प्लेटफॉर्म है जिनके ऊपर मैंने काम किया, तो मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि these are not really good ideas innovated by me. These are the ideas already existing in the market. I'm just trying to see that either I can rebuild them or not, right? Either I can innovate them or not, right? So again, this platform is inspired by ClickUp, Nifty, Trello, Jira, and Linear, Asana as well, because those are the platforms जो मैं use कर रहा था. This is the landing page. You can see a few features here, what is in it available, what are not available here. So this landing page was designed by Modify.ai. That is the platform जो कि आपको website build करने में help करता है. And then if I click on open board, it will actually open the board, but I have something here as well that I want to show you. It's going to be the place of different boards जो जहाँ पे आप अपने board create कर सकते हैं, and actually I have some templates here as well. आप basic Kanban use करना चाहते हैं, आप ये use कर सकते हैं. You have project management, you have content calendar, you have sprint board, you have personal weekly planner as well. यहाँ पे you can see कि इनके अंदर कौन कौन सी चीजें जो है वो मौजूद हैं. So you again can use these things according to yourself, right? We have workspace setting here as well. You can name, I'll be like bringing them into the pricing plan, free, standard, premium. It's totally up to you. In future, I'm bringing, like, in case if you want to bring someone, add someone as a member, as a guest, maybe as an admin in like your board, and then you have the privacy as well, like privacy control from here. You can change the color, you can change the visibility, right? And then you can change the name, and maybe you want to delete the name as well, right? Sorry, the board as well, right? But obviously one board need to stay there. Otherwise, आप जितने board बनाएंगे, you can delete them, right? So let's quickly click on project management. I'll go here. And project management के अंदर जैसे ही मैं board के अंदर आता हूँ, you see like something similar to this. ऑलरेडी यू आर फेमिलियर विद दिस थिंग, आपको हर प्रोडक्टिविटी टूल के अंदर ये चीजें नजर आती हैं. वी हैव द कार्ड हेयर, कार्ड्स कॉलम. You can drag them, you can push them anywhere, and similarly we have like an option right at the end as well to create a new column. It's totally up to you. You can just click it. You can like again write the name and then add the column here as well. One column is named as archive. हमेशा यहाँ पे रहेगा. You are not able to create the card, but obviously you can drag the card anyone from here and then push it into the archive, जो कि archive के अंदर ही रहेंगे, right? So what happened to this card? I need to have a card here. Okay, so there's something like a bug maybe or whatever it is, but I'll show you here कि अगर मैं archive के अंदर card push करता हूँ तो वो archive के अंदर ही रहेगा, right? Going back to that card, so in case अगर आपने card create करना है, you can click here and I'll say 111. It will create the card. I'll open it and open करने के बाद you can see कि ये card का name है. You can double click it और इसको आप एडिट कर सकते हैं. यू हैव द डिस्क्रिप्शन, और डिस्क्रिप्शन की बेस पे यहाँ पे एआई के असिस्टेंट मौजूद होगा जो कि आपको सब टास्क उसके सजेस्ट कर देगा सिमिलर टू दिस. उसको समराइज कर देगा एंड देन उसकी जो प्रायोरिटी है वो भी सजेस्ट कर देगा कि बेस्ड ऑन डिस्क्रिप्शन, बेस्ड ऑन दोस टास्क, सब टास्क आप उसकी प्रायोरिटी क्या सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. यू हैव द सब टास्क लिस्ट हियर एज वेल. यू कैन क्रिएट द सब टास्क. यू हैव लाइक एन अटैचमेंट हियर. You will see the activities here. You can see like the status of the card here right from this. In case if you want to put in review, you have the label here. आपको कौन सा label attach करना है. In future you will be able to add members here as well, right? You can add the cover color, जो कि cover color इसलिए add किया गया है because आप अगर अपने card को quickly accessible करना चाहते हैं तो you can add it. You have custom field. इन केस अगर आपको कोई कैड फील्ड ऐड करनी है विद इन द कार्ड तो आप ये यहाँ से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. चेक बॉक्सेस हो सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक क्रिएट and I'll say test. Just a second and I'll add it, और ये आपकी custom field यहाँ पे add हो गई है and then you can just like select it or undo it or whatever you want to do it, right? It's totally up to you and you can quickly close it. तो आपके पास कार्ड कुछ इस तरह से आ जाएगा. अगेन इसके अंदर और चीजें भी ऐड होंगी स्टिल. दिस इज नॉट लाइक द फाइनल थिंग जो कि मैं आपको ये कह दूं कि दैट इज डन, ऐसा कुछ है, बट स्टिल I have a lot of things जो कि मुझे इसके अंदर अभी जो कि अभी क्लाउड कोड के अंदर हैं और क्लाउड कोड इज वर्किंग राइट नाउ, बट obviously I haven't still pushed the thing और इस वजह से you are not able to see it, right? You have these filters here. This is the thing जो कि लिस्ट व्यू के अंदर आपको कार्ड शो करवाएगी. अगेन इट्स टोटली अप टू यू, आप जैसे कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. वी हैव द कैलेंडर व्यू एज वेल. आप कैलेंडर व्यू के अंदर भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन क्रिएट द टास्क एंड एवरीथिंग. वी हैव द स्प्रेडशीट हियर एज वेल. कुछ लोग स्प्रेडशीट के अंदर चीजों को मैनेज करना बहुत उनके लिए आसान होता है, तो दे कैन सी इन द स्प्रेडशीट एज वेल, बट आई लाइक द वे इन द Kanban board, right? ऑटोमेशन इज वन ऑफ द थिंग जो कि इस टूल के अंदर होगी एंड दैट इज के जब भी व्हेन इज कार्ड इज लेबल एड व्हेन अ लेबल इज एडेड एज लाइक बग देन द कार्ड मूव इट इनटू द बैकलॉग, राइट? एक रूल मैं सेट कर दूंगा दैट जब भी कार्ड के ऊपर बग का लेबल ऐड किया जाएगा तो आप उसे बैकलॉग के अंदर ही मूव कर देंगे, राइट? सो ऑटोमेटिकली, सो दिस रूल इज डन. In case if you will add any card and supposingly हम इस कार्ड के ऊपर जाते हैं and I write here if I add it to bug, तो ये कार्ड डायरेक्टली अगर आप यहाँ गौर करें तो that is moved into the backlog. So this is how automation आपके पास फ्री के अंदर मौजूद होगी कि आप अपने कार्ड को खुद इधर उधर जो है वो स्विंग कर सकते हैं and you can create as many as rule you want and you can delete them as well. It's totally up to you. Then we have this power up. So power ups के अंदर क्या है कि it has like 6 different or multiple different options कि आपको calendar view नहीं चाहिए, so you can just close it. You can table view आपको close करना है, automation आपको close करनी है, productivity stats आपको close करने हैं, AI assistant आपको control करना है, custom field आपको close करनी है. तो अब आप जिस भी कार्ड के अंदर जाएंगे तो आपको चीजें वहां पे नजर नहीं आएंगी and now you are not able to create. So it's a simple view. It's totally up to you. Again अब ये पूरी workspace के ऊपर apply हो चुका है and the one thing that I have is in front of me is actually ये जो आपका Kanban board है that will be completely mobile supportive. आप अपने मोबाइल के ऊपर भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. It is completely accessible there as well और आप easily वहां से भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, right? So this is everything. Still in the building process I have one thing जो कि मेरे अंदर थोड़ा सा इशू है, वो ये है कि बाज़ दफ़ा I start these things and then मैं और काम में बिजी हो जाता हूँ and then मैं इनको छोड़ देता हूँ. But for this I actually want you to suggest me one thing कि इसके अंदर क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए, क्या चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए, व्हाट आर द फीचर यू रियली वांट, व्हाट आर द फीचर यू डोंट वांट, and is there something interesting, will you really use it for free as well or not, and how do you see in case if I build this progress as well. I'm looking for your response. Till then, thank you.